Hi guys, so I thought it'd be a good time to do the strip down challenge and stuff like that now because the strip down challenge is basically where you talk, you have your time set for 10 minutes, you can talk about anything, you're not allowed to add background music, you're not allowed to plan anything, you're not allowed to edit anything. You can edit the beginning and the end, but that's about it, like the intro and the outro of your video, but not the 10 minutes that you're on timed. So I've done this before, but it's out of focus the whole time, so yeah, because I was using my other camera, my new camera, to do it. So yeah, so basically you don't plan anything, you don't add any music to it. It's basically behind the scenes of you. So I thought I'd do it because I'm really intrigued. Nah, I really want to do it. And I need to discuss like loads of things and loads of things that people don't know that they probably should know. So yeah, I'm going to press right. Once I can breathe, I'll press start. I don't have asthma or anything. I just have coughing fits and then so 10 minutes is starts now. So first thing I wanted to discuss is I have another channel and it's a vlogging channel. It's Life with Fiona, all lowercase, not capital, because there is another YouTuber called Life with Fiona, but it's all capital. And it's my vlog channel thing, my bop. So that is my channel name thing. So I will leave it in the link below so you can go and check it out. I've been vlogging quite a lot recently, basically because I've got a new camera and a charger, and yeah. So that's why I've been vlogging a lot. I'm currently editing a vlog from yesterday, which was the 19th. Unsure, I'm gonna check this. 20th. So yeah. So yesterday the 20th I vlogged, so that should be on soon. That should be on after this one, because I'm doing this on the 21st and you don't need any editing to it, so I just need to upload the footage on the phone, make sure it's loaded, and then post it on YouTube. So I'm fine with that. Also, I'm doing a little mix recreation, and that's taken me ages. I haven't started editing it yet, but there's no like remixes and stuff for the song, so it's taken me a while, so I'm going to think of a way to do that. Also, I have like 3 assignments going at once, which Sunday I won't be filming or anything. I'll try not to edit, but I need to get my assignments done in somewhere. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that. Hopefully can get about 2 tasks done for Janine's assignment, and then only have 1 left. I can have like a week break off that, and do Charlotte's assignment when we have Charlotte, and then Maureen's assignment I'm just going to try and like buckle down and do it in like Janine's lessons or something, because it's important to do, and like yeah, it's important to do and stuff. So yeah, that's basically what's happening. Lots of people have exams. I don't. I have assignments. I'm struggling with one of them so much, and I think another one I'm struggling. My eyes are watering. Great. Sorry. So yeah, I don't really know what we're doing today. I know my sister is cleaning out a bit, so she's going to be doing that for, like, cleaning out the cage. So she's going to be doing that for a while, so I thought, I can do this. What else? I don't know what I'm doing in the summer. I don't think it'll be very interesting. And once I've left, I don't think that'll be very interesting either. So yeah, that's me excited about. On Tuesday, I'm going to be really late back on Tuesday from college because I have a one-to-one with Ollie. Don't really want a one-to-one, but you know. Because I have to wait like an hour for my one-to-one after a lesson. So yeah, what else? Can't think what else is there, to be honest. I know they've got quite a few of you in the past couple of days, and I know some of you really want scrunchy hair videos, so like, I want to explain it. Scrunchies aren't very popular, like, in my area. Yeah, they do sell them, but they're quite expensive for someone that doesn't earn any money at all. So for YouTube, I do it as a hobby. Don't earn money for it. Do it as a hobby. I don't have a job at this very minute. I'm planning on trying to get one for like over the summer and stuff, so I'm not at home, but I don't mind. What else? I might do an outfit of the day video because I really like this outfit. I'm trying out brown lipsticks. Well, one brown lipstick. And I really like it. I got an orange, like, matte lipstick. Not too fond of it. Probably because I haven't got the look right to call it, but yeah. How long have I had? Oh, I've got 4 minutes left. Yeah. What else can I tell them? So, like, for YouTube, like, not at this time, like, loads of people are doing exams and stuff. And that. I don't really know. Like, if you have any videos that you want me to do on either channels, leave them in the comments below, and I will do them for you. Because that's important to do, like, videos you want to do. So leave them in the comments down below. Need to actually make a thing for this video. And what else? So today I'm planning on getting this serious plan. Film this video. I know I'm talking about this video. Film this video. Upload it somehow. Get it sorted and stuff. Upload it to YouTube. Like, export it, upload it to YouTube. It'd be a good egg. And then upload my vlog as well. Then edit my weekly vlog, which will be uploading on Sunday. So I need to get that edited tonight. Then Sunday I have a chance to do loads of work and stuff. Like college work and stuff. So I can at least get that done and try and make sense of it. What else? I've been eating a lot of rubbish lately, so if I look worse for wear, that's probably why. Because when it comes to exam season, either don't eat at all or eat rubbish, so decide to eat rubbish, so excuse my appearance. What else can I talk about? gonna talk about. I might do I've done a nail video, but I haven't edited or uploaded it, so if you want to see that, you know what to do. I have 2 minutes left. So yeah, I don't know what else I have. It's a year tomorrow since I've left school. Seems like ages away. Ages ago. A lot has happened in a year. I don't know. Don't know what else, but if only I did this with someone. What else can I say? My sister keeps on coughing in the background going and that's all you can hear. I can tell you that much. I like this outfit. I'm really tired. Well, the last one I had a lot to talk about. 29 seconds. I had a lot to talk about in the last one, but they're all in vlogs and stuff now, so vlogging is just like an easier way of uploading a video. Let's sit down and talk. For my nice. Need to think of a name for my new vlog. So if you know a new name for my new vlogs, my weekly one or anything, in the comments below. So, and I'm done. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video in some sort of way. You probably don't. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's like down here if you haven't already. Like here. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel to see my vlogs and stuff. If you like my vlogs, go check my vlogs out. Comment down below any video suggestions. Don't forget your A's. Follow me on social media. Links will be in the down bar, and I will see you. Oh, the light's gone in. It's raining. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.